What is that? What the heck? He's crying. Oh, what is this?
Take it.
Oof.
Well, fuck.
You like her back, then great. Take care of her for me, please. If you don't feel the same way, you better keep your promise and stay good friends with her. Okay, I'll stay her friend, but if you like her, then go for her.
He broke my heart. He doesn't want me, but finally I set my love free. Yeah.
No reason in giving up now. We got this.
It's level 5.
We passed through all the levels. We're here for the final boss.
Let's go.
And he hides, and they run. That is basically the skit, ladies and gentlemen. Just for an exclusive interview of him running away first. Wow, this is getting close. This is getting intense.
Holy shit, that was scary. Why did he get that? What is he, a level 99?
Probably. How depressed do you feel today?
Very.
Congratulations.
Go watch another episode.
Think.
Probably could have taken him up on myself. Could have used the power of rolling. Could have used the power of, sword skills. I mean, there's my score. There's my score.
Run,